In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund my Charles Schwab account. We'll walk through the most common, easiest, and fastest ways to move money into your account so you can choose the option that best fits your timing and preferences. The simplest method is an electronic transfer, often called ACH. After you log into your Schwab account, go to Move Money, then choose Transfers and Payments. From there, select Link an External Bank Account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank's routing number and your account number. Then you can move money from your bank to Schwab. This method is free and funds typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days. It's also ideal for regular deposits because once your bank is linked, you can set up one-time or repeating transfers whenever you need them. Keep in mind that processing times don't include weekends or bank holidays, and some banks may have daily transfer limits. If you see any verification prompts while linking your bank, just follow the on-screen instructions. If you need money to arrive as quickly as possible, consider a wire transfer. First, retrieve Schwab's wire instructions within your account so you have the correct details. Then, go to your bank, either online or at a branch, and send a domestic or international wire to Schwab. Be sure to include your Schwab account number in the reference or memo field so the funds land in the right place. Wires can arrive the same day if they're sent before your bank's cutoff time or within 1 to 2 days. Keep in mind that sending banks typically charge a fee for this service, and international wires may take longer due to intermediary banks and currency conversion. You can also fund by check. If you prefer mobile deposit, open the Schwab Mobile app and select Deposit Check. Then follow the prompts to capture clear photos and submit. Alternatively, you can mail a check to Schwab's deposit address listed in your account. This approach doesn't require linking a bank, and it's straightforward, but it's generally slower than ACH or a wire. Mailed checks take time to arrive and be processed, and all check deposits may be subject to holds based on the amount and account history. To recap, ACH transfers are free and great for everyday funding. Wire transfers are best when speed matters and you're fine with potential bank fees, and checks are a simple no-link option if you're not in a rush. Choose the method that matches your timeline, review details carefully before you submit, and you'll have your Schwab account funded smoothly and securely.